Hi all, today we are going to discuss about insert the node at the end of the doubly linked list. Okay, this is the figure. That figure had representing how to insert that new node into that end of the linked list. Okay, here we have three nodes. Okay, the header is the node that is used to save that address of the first node. Okay, on that header node, the header node uh, have that R link field is the R-link field of the header node. That R-link field had saved that first node address. Okay, so our aim is to insert this new node into that end of this doubly linked list. End of the doubly linked list. Okay, so I am explaining how to insert the node at the end of the doubly linked list. If you need to insert that newly allocated node into that end of the linked list, first step is to beginning traverse from beginning to that end. Okay, so the first step is here our node containing the data x to insert. X is the data content of the node to inserted. Okay, and then algorithm name is insert n underscore dn. The output is a doubly linked list enriched with the node containing the data x at the end of the list. The doubly linked list structure whose pointer to the header node is that header, which means the value of the first node has saved in that header node. Okay, so this is the header node. Okay, that header node had saved that value first for first node. So I am explaining the algorithm. Our first step is what is our first step? P header equal to ptr, which means the value of header will save into that variable ptr. Okay, so this header is represented as ptr. Okay, and then second step is we had used one loop while loop for traversing from first node to last node. While ptr rlink not equal to null, do ptr equal to ptr rlink. Okay, using that we will traverse from first node to last node. Okay, at the end of this loop we will reach last node. Okay, we had moved to that last node. Then using a get node function, we had called one new node, newly doubly English, new node. So our aim is to insert that new node into that doubly English. So these are the steps to insert. Sixth step, checking if new node equal to null, which means if the node is available. If new node equal to null means the node is available. The node name is new. Then what are the steps? New L-link equal to PTR, which means this is our new PTR. Okay, new L-link. This is the L-link field. Okay, save the PTR this node address. This node address here. Okay, that is new L-link. New L-link equal to PTR. Okay, so next step is PTR R-link equal to new. PTR R-link equal to new. PTR PTR R-link equal to new, which means this is the PTR. PTR R-link equal to new. PTR R-link. This is the PTR R-link. Okay. The new address. So the PTR PTR Arley. I'm explaining. So the first step is new L link equal to PTR. Okay, this is new. This is the new L link part. Okay, the new L link will point to PTR. Okay, so what is the value here? The address of this node. Second step is PTR R link equal to new. This is PTR R link. Here, this R link part will save this node address, newly allocated node address. Okay, so these two steps we had discussed. On that ninth step, new R link equal to null. New R link equal to null means we are setting this link as null. New R link equal to null. So we are setting this link as this is the new R link. This is represented as null. This link part of newly allocated memory or no, the R link part we had set it as null. Okay, and then new data equal to x. New data equal to new data equal to x. The value of this data field containing the data x. So like that we had inserted that one newly allocated node into the end of the linked list. Okay. So first you have to traverse from the first node to last node and set the last node as PTR. Okay, and then you have to call the get node function. And the get node function is a function that is used to that is used to uh, insert a new node. Okay, so using that get node function, we got one node. Okay, and then these are the steps for traversing. These are the steps for insertion. Else, unable to allocate memory, insertion is not possible. Okay. If new equal to null, then unable to allocate print the message, unable to allocate the memory, insertion is not possible. Okay. So like that, we will insert the newly allocated doubly linked list node at the end of the list. So we have discussed how to insert the node at the front and how to insert the node at the end. I will show the code for insert at the front and insert at the end. Okay. First, I am showing how to insert the node at the front of the doubly linked list. So this is the linked list containing 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes and insert at front. I had inserted 10 and again I had called that insert at front and then insert 20 and then insert at front 30, insert at front 40. Will show. First I had inserted one node. Okay, insert at front 10. So our front first node is 10. Okay, so I am trying to insert a new node into that linked list. Okay, so code is I am trying to insert node containing the data 50. Okay, at front. Before insertion, we have only one node containing the data 10. So I am trying to insert that newly node containing the data 50 into that left of this node. Okay, left of this node. Okay, I am trying to insert the node containing the data 50 into left of this node. Okay, so this 50 has inserted into the left of this the node containing the data 10. Okay, again I am trying to insert one new node containing the data 60. Okay, so the 60 has been inserted at the left of the node 50. Left of the node containing the data 50. Okay, so like that you have to insert the node at your front. This is the function I am explaining. This is the structure node in data start next and start previous. That node structure has three variables: data, next, and previous. And then using that create node function, we had created the node and set the data as data, and then next and previous as had set it as null. Okay, and then this is the algorithm part for the insertion at front, and on that algorithm we had called that create node function, and then the algorithms, if the list is empty then new node becomes the head. If start head equal to null, then start head equal to new node, else new node next equal to start head, and then start head previous is equal to new node, then start head equal to new node. That is a code for insertion at the front. Okay, which means first, if the list is empty, the new node become the head. Okay, then set as new node equal to start head. Else, make the new node head and adjust the pointer, which means new node next equal to head. On that line, we will save that address that had saved in the head into new node next field. Okay, and then set start and previous equal to new node, and then star head equal to new node. Okay, I will explain this part. First, first we have one node. Is the header. These two fields are null. Is the address of the first node. Is the address of the second node. Okay, here the R link of the header had saved 1000. The L link of this first node had saved 2000 is the address of the header node. 2000 here 2000 had saved. Okay, in this field containing the address 1002 is the R link of that first node. In that field containing the address 1000, this is the L link of the second node. This field containing the null part. Okay, what is the value of that first node R link part? The first node L link part have the value 2000. 2000 is the address of the header node. Okay, so our aim is to insert a new node at the front of the linked list. Okay, this is a newly allocated row having the data 1006, having that address 1006. Okay, so our aim is to insert this node to that into the front of this linked list. Okay, so what are the updation we have to do? We have to do the steps. Okay, what is the steps? New node nest equal to head means this is the new node nest part. This is the new node previous. Okay, so set new node nest is equal to star head. What is the value of star head? What is the value of star head? Star head is 1000. Okay, the value of star head equal to 1000. So the 1000 will save here. Means there is one connection from that R-link part of the new node into that first node. Okay, and then so I had explained this code, and then again you have to change star head previous equal to no node. Means this node star head is 1000. So change star head previous. This is star head previous. This part is star head previous. So change star head previous with the newly allocated memory block address. So save 1006 here. So there is one connection from okay, and then star head equal to new node. Save the address of the newly allocated memory block 1006 into that header field. Okay, previously here 1000 had saved, and we have to update that value. Okay, so using that code star head equal to new node here 1006 are saved. Okay, so these are the steps to insert the node active front. Okay, so again I am explaining the code how to insert the node at the middle of the W list. Okay, I will show the code insert the node at the middle of the linked list. Okay, these are the position 1 2 3 2 1. Okay, first the 10 are inserted at that position 1. Okay, again this 20 will insert at the position 2. Again that 30 will insert at the position 3. Okay, I will show the output. First we had inserted the 10 at position 1, the node containing the data 10 at the position 1, and the node containing the data 20 as the position 2, and the node containing the data 30 as position 3. Okay, our next step is to insert the node at the position position 2. Insert at the position 2. Let's see. No way. Data 70. Sorry, 40. So I am trying to insert that node containing the data of 40 into the position 2. Okay, so this 20 will shift it to third position. Okay, the 40 had inserted here, and that 20 containing the node containing the data 20 had shifted into that third position. Okay, like that, the node had inserted at the middle. So you have to study the code. This is the code for insertion at middle. Okay, so you have to do line by line execution of this code. Okay, and then again I am going to explain how to insert the node at the end of the W lineage. That algorithm we had discussed to insert the node at the end of the W lineage. Okay, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nodes having the data 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, this is the function insert at end. Okay, so you have to do the line by line execution of that part, code part. Okay, and then you got the idea about how to insert the node at the end. On that my previous video I had explained how to insert the node at the end of the doubly linked list. Okay, so you have to listen that video and then do the line by line execution of the statements. First, we have only one node containing the data 10. Okay, so I am trying to insert a new node with the data 20 after the node 10. Okay, that is our aim to insert the node containing the data 20 into that left of this node containing the data 10. Okay, what we'll do, I'm copying this code, control V. Okay, our data is 20. Okay, that is the output. The 20 data has inserted at the right of that node containing the data 10. Okay, so this is the last node. Okay, so I am again trying to insert 30 data after this 20 node, after the node containing the data 20. What I say, I am trying to insert one new node at the end of the second node. Okay, control V, insert 30, 30. So when we run, then the 30 data of the node as inserted after the 20. So the last node is 30. The new node 30 has inserted at the end of the linked list, end of the doubly linked list. Okay. So on the doubly linked list, you have to use two pointers, next and previous. Okay, and print the data in forward direction and the backward direction. If we printed the data in the forward direction, then the first node value uh, uh, as printed as first. If we use the backward direction using the previous pointer, then the last node will print on first part of the output. Okay, so like that you have to do the code and then write the observation on your notes. Okay, we have to study these topics: how to insert the node at the end of the linked list, middle of the linked list, and the front of the linked list. Okay, and draw the figure. I hope you understand the topic. If you have any doubt, please comment and share to your friends. If you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and comment. And click on the bell button for the notifications. Thank you. Thanks for watching.